I'm Marie Robeson, and I am going to be your teacher for this online statistics course this semester. I hope we have a great time. Here you'll see me in my office. Even though this class is online, you are welcome at any time on the main campus in B252, the math department, to come and visit me for help as well. In this class, you are going to need a couple items. One is a graphing calculator, preferably a TI-84 calculator. An Inspire or a TI-83 is okay too. Now we all know that these calculators can get pretty expensive, so here at MCC we do loan them out in the library. It's like checking out a book. You arrive at the library at the main campus with your ID and you can check out the calculator for the semester. Another item you're going to need is the textbook. But thankfully, that textbook is also free. It's called OpenStax Introductory Statistics. Here is an image of the book right here, and this link is available on the home page of our Canvas course screen. If you like, you can also purchase the book in the bookstore as well. Please take a look at the syllabus on your Canvas course homepage and familiarize yourself with the assignments and the grading scale. And if ever you need any help, please feel free to email me. We can meet on Zoom or we can meet here in my office. Let's start a great semester together, everybody.